a brand new chapter. The name of the chapter is Work, Energy and Power. So everybody is going to put that heading, Work, Energy and Power. Very, very important chapter it is. It is going to be repeating for you guys in the 11th class also. So work, energy and power. Yeah. Maybe in 9th standard only work and energy heading topic is there. But I'm going to explain you all the things. Work, energy and power. Okay. These three things. Now, let me ask you this, dear children. What is the unit of energy? What is the unit of energy? Tell me. Does anyone know what is the unit of energy? Yes, you must have heard like it is joule, right? Joule, right? Joule, no? So Joule, right? Like that you write, and you can name it as a J also, joule. So everybody knows it. Now, if I ask you, what is the unit of work? What is the unit of work? Unit of work is also joule, right? Yeah. Unit of work is also joule. Now, what is the unit of heat? What is the unit of heat? Heat is also joule, right? They say these many joules of heat. Calorie is also there. There is something called calorie also. I'm not saying calorie is not there. These are different units we have. Calories, joules. Okay, joule is famous one. SI unit is like joule. In physics, what we talk? We talk about SI units, no? Yes or no? SI units we should be talking. Calorie is not SI unit. Joule is a SI unit. Okay. Now you must be thinking, if they are having all this is like this is also joule and this is also joule, this is also joule. Everything is joule means why they named differently? Work, energy, and heat. Are you feeling like the people were mad? Is my screen visible? Is the whiteboard visible, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Just confirm. Yes. Okay. Now, Jagannath, can you comment on this? This is also joule, this is also joule, this is also joule. Why they are joule but different names? Why, Jagannath? Any comment? Jagannath?
No, sir.
No. Vaishali? Any comment, Vaishali? Sahana, any comment on this? Why all are joule? Sahana? Sahana Chiktalki. They are related. Okay, good. They are related. That's why joule. How they are related? Any comment, Sahana? How they are related? Any comment? I want you to speak if any comment is there. Yes. Anyone who wants to talk regarding this, why they are all joule, please. Yeah, I think nobody is speaking. Now look at this. So this energy is there, no? So if you transfer this energy mechanically, it becomes work. How you have to transfer? Mechanically you have to transfer. So what do you mean by mechanical transfer? For example, here there is one body. Okay. And here there is one body, one bus is there, truck is there, anyhow. So a person is standing here. Now this person is having energy or not? Tell me. This person is having energy because he has eaten food. By eating food, he has built muscles. Correct? He has built muscles. So he has all those muscles and all. Yes, that's why he is having energy. Which energy is having? The energy what he is having, no dear children. The kind of energy what he is having, that energy is called muscular energy, right? Yes or no? In muscles, there is energy. A weak person, does it has energy? For example, very weak, I mean, no muscle and all. So will he have energy? No, right? Less energy, no. So this is a muscular energy. Now what he does, he transfer that muscular energy to this body and this body moves forward, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what he did? He worked, no? He did work, right? Yes or no? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
getting my point? What
Yes,
I'm trying
sir.
to say? Work means what, dear children? Work means mechanical way of transfer of energy. What is work? Mechanical way of transfer of energy is called work. For time being, you have to take this. Work means mechanical way of transfer of energy. Whenever energy is transferred mechanically, look at this. Mechanically means by touching it. Mechanical engineers, they say, no, mechanically means by touching it, by pushing it, by pulling it, he is doing this work. So mechanical way of transfer of energy is called work. Is this clear, dear children? mechanical way of transfer of energy. Very, very important it is. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at this. So that's why I'm telling you, this energy means it has transferred mechanically, right? Mechanical transfer. MC I write for M bar C means that is mechanical. Mechanical transfer of energy it is. Okay, shortcut I'm writing here. You can write it full. Mechanical transfer of energy means it becomes work. Now, how about heat, dear children? How about heat? Yeah, you need to understand this. This module also you need to understand. Now there is some water. Okay, there is some water. Okay, now I want to heat this water. What should I do? Tell me. I want to heat this water. What should I do? Tell me. You will say we should heat it, sir. But how to heat it? I want to heat this water, but
With
how to
fire,
heat
sir.
it? With fire. Okay, if you say fire, I mean, if you say fire here, I mean, we may keep one fire like this, burner and all. Now, instead of this burner, somebody will say, sir, put some electrical coil into this and connect it to that source, electricity, then one coil. Is it possible to heat the water by using electricity?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
somebody
sir.
will say, sir, keep it in sunlight. Somebody will say, sir, keep it in sunlight. I mean, sun rays will fall on it and it will get heated. Can we do by using sunlight? Solar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So basically, to heat the water, what should I provide? We should provide energy, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
We should provide energy. What kind of energy we can provide? We can provide what is that? By using wood, we can provide energy. By using solar, we can give energy. By using electricity, we can give energy. By using all these methods, I can give energy, right? Now, a person is standing here. Now, does he has energy or not? Tell me, he is having energy or not?
Having, sir.
He is having energy means energy ಐತಿ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಗುದ್ದಿದಂದ್ರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾವನ್ರಿ ನೀರ ಗುದ್ದುತ್ತ ನನ್ನ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಗುದ್ದಿದ ನೀರು ಕಾಯ್ತಾವನ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
No, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೇ ಒಳಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು ಇವನ್ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ನೀರ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನೀರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಈ ನೀರ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೆಳಗಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಅದ ನೀರ್ ಇತ್ಯಾಗ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬರೋದ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ನೀರ್ ಕಾಯ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಹಿಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀರ್ ಕಾಯ್ತಾವನ್ರಿ ಹೀಸ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಐತ್ ಬಸ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡತಾನ ಕಾಯ್ತಾವನ್ರಿ ನೀರ್ ಹಿಡಿದು ನೋಡೋಣ.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
ಇದನ್ನ
sir.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲು ನೀರ್ ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಏನೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬರ್ನರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೇನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So stationary means it is called non-mechanical. Non-mechanical means no movement, no touch and all. So that's why non-mechanical way of transfer of energy is heat. Non-mechanical way of transfer of energy. Non-mechanical way of transfer of energy is called what? Heat. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ನೀರ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀರ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿಸಿ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿನೂ ಜೌಲ್ ಅದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ನು ಜೌಲ್ ಅದ ಹೀಟ್ನು ಜೌಲ್ ಅದ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ in this way in the above thing. This first thing I am giving it mechanically and in the second thing how I am giving non-mechanically. Non-mechanical way of transfer of energy leads to heat and mechanical way of transfer of energy leads to work. Clear dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಸಿನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ಸಿನಿ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಸಿನಿ ಒಂದೇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಸಿನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಟ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನಂದ್ರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇ ಸಿಂಬೋಲ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ, ಹೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್, ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗ, ಹೌದಾ. ಇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಎನರ್ಜಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಬಟ್ ಇ ಇದ್ರು ನಡೀತದೆ. ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಹೀಟ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಜೌಲ್ 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 ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಜೌಲ್ 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 ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಜೌಲ, ಇದು ಜೌಲ, ಇದು ಜೌಲ ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ ಒಂದ್ ಪೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಅರ್ಧ ಪೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದ್ ಹಿಂಗ ಒಂದ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಾನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಇದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೀಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಒಂದ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಾಗ ಕವರ್ ಆಕೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ. ಹಿಂಗ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
Yes,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ,
Yes, sir. Yes,
ನೈನ್
sir.
ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಟೋ ತನಕ ಗುದ್ದಾಡಿದ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾರು ಬರೀರಿ, ಪಟ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಐಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 1 minute. ಆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಹೀಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಲೆವೆಂತ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. We are going to study about this heat and all in 11th class. ಹೀಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 9th ಮತ್ತೆ 10th ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. 10th ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದು ಡಿವೈಸ್, ಫೋನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಫೋನ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುದು, ರೆಫ್ರಿಜರೇಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕೇಲರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ? ಸರ್, ವರ್ಕ್ is a scalar quantity. Yes, work is a scalar quantity. Heat is also scalar quantity. Energy is also scalar quantity. We'll come to that. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Yes, Vaishali, work is a scalar quantity.
Yes, sir.
About heat we'll study in 11th class. Now our target is about work. Work ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಓಕೆ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, fine. So everybody has written it, I guess. Now, the definition of work is like we got to know, that is mechanical way of transfer of energy. We got to know about that work. Okay, Sahana, just confirm how many have joined?
22 members, sir.
22 members. Work. We want to understand about work now. Now look at this, dear children. Work means, for example, there is one body here. Any body is here. Now on this body, if some force is applied, now I want to move this body. If I want to move this body this side, here, from here to here, I want to bring it. Now, how should I apply force? I should be applying force like this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if I apply the force, the body will come here and it will sit here. Yes, body will come and sit, same body. Now, how much it has done the displacement? It has done a displacement of yes, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it has done a displacement of yes. Now, if somebody is like, by applying the force, we can do work by saying like that. If somebody apply force like this on the body, will the body move? Tell me. I want to move the body towards
No,
right
sir.
like this.
It will
Now,
be at
now
rest.
somebody, it will be at rest if I apply force like this. So just by
Yes, sir.
applying force, just force is there, that the force is there, that doesn't mean work will happen. Work may happen or work may not happen also. Clear? Now look at this. This force is waste of time, no? It is just pushing down. I mean, the body is not at all moving. Clear? So just because of force, work may be there or may not be there also. For this force, work is there. For this force, no work, right? Here work is not there, but because of this there will be work, no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? There are two components of work. One is like force. The first thing is like force and next thing is like displacement. All right? So that is like he has applied the force on this body. Okay? Now it has moved, that is for sure. Now, work means, what is the definition, no, dear children? For 9th standard, the work is like this. I mean, for 11th standard, work definition will change little bit. I mean, formula will change. That is like force along the direction of displacement. Force along the direction of, tell me, force along the direction of displacement into displacement. This is the formula for 9th standard. Yeah, please write it down quickly. I'll explain this for some more time. Yes, force along the direction of displacement where the body is moving, that is very, very important. Yes, I want the body to move like this, no? That's why force also should be in this direction only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so where I want to move the body, for example, I want to move this body upward. So where should I apply the force? I should be applying the force here, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so like
Yes,
that.
sir.
Where I want to move the body, that is very, very important. Yes, clear. Okay, fine. So force along the direction of displacement into displacement. So that is the formula for work. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, shall I go to next section? Okay. I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
next section. Okay. This question. Write down this question. Okay. A 100 Newton of force. A 100 Newton of force is applied on a body to move it for 3 meter. Find work done. Simple question. I'm starting with very simple question, simplest question. Then I will move to complex question. Find work done. Find out this. Find work done. Simple, no? Force is like 100 Newton given. Okay. Now it is applied on a body to move it for 3 meter. Now they are asking for work. Work is equal to, what is the formula? Force into displacement, no? Force is like 100 and it is 3 and it is equal to 300 joule, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So work done is like 300 joule. Very, very simple it is. Okay, fine. So very simple module. Now let me explain you. Okay, let me explain you this. Now the body is here. Now I want to move this body here 3 meter. Now if force is applied like this, will it move? What is the work done in this case? Work done is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If this force is perpendicular, you understand this symbol? All of you, this symbol you understand?
Perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If
Perpendicular.
force is perpendicular to displacement, then work done is equal to 0. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
I mean, you can try this. Whenever force is perpendicular to displacement, no, what will be the work? Work done will be 0. Clear, dear children? You can try this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Clear now? Yeah? Okay, all
Yes,
right.
sir.
Now, one more thing, they have this famous question. Well, they have this famous question in everybody's mind. That is like, have you seen a coolie? Have you seen a coolie in railway station and all, who takes the bags and all?
Yes, sir.
Who carries the
Yes,
bags?
sir. Sir.
Now what they are asked, okay, let's talk about coolie a little bit. Now work done is there. Now work done by whom? Work done by whom is very, very important. Work done by whom is very, very, very important. I mean, who is doing the work? Work done by which thing is very, very important. Okay, work can be done by anyone, no? Not only from the person, from the body also. Work done by whom? It is very, very important. Okay, this is like 11th standard topic, a little bit depth, but I'll try to give you an idea. Now, a coolie, what he is doing? For example, here the coolie is there. Okay, let me make his head a little bit bigger. Okay, here is the coolie. All right, so here we have a coolie here. Now this coolie, he is very happy carrying this bag. Okay, he is carrying one bag. Okay, suitcase. Your suitcase he is carrying. Now it is having mass m. Okay, whatever it is. Now this, I mean, he wants to move like this from this place to this place. I mean, from this like place A to place B, he wants to move like this. He wants to move like this. Okay. Now, where he is applying the force, he is going forward and he is moving display. His displacement is also forward only, and his force is also his body force. The body force is also along the positive direction only. So that's why they are, I mean, force is along the direction of displacement, no? Where he wants to go, the force is towards the displacement, no? Clear,
Yes,
no?
sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
work done by coolie. I mean, coolie will be doing some work or not? Work done by coolie is something is there. Work done by coolie is equal to formula is like Fs. Fs it becomes. So for this work, we pay him money, right? Yes or no? Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Work done by coolie is like Fs. Force is there, displacement is there. That's why we pay him money. I mean, you have done the coolie, you have done the work. So that's why we are going to pay you the money for the work what you have done. Now, if somebody is asking you, what is the work done by this bag? Work done by bag. Work done by bag. Okay. Let us try to understand this. Okay. Work done by bag means now the coolie was here. He was carrying the bag. Okay, he moved up to this place. Now, what is the displacement of this bag? The displacement of this bag is like yes, no, the same displacement, no, what the coolie's displacement is there, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same displacement it is having, but how this bag is applying force on coolie's head? Is it like downward? Is this bag applying the force downward,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
On this coolie's head it is applying the force, no? Now the force is downward, the from the bag. I'm talking about bag, eh? So because of this bag, coolie is, I mean, coolie is dead now. Okay, so this force is like this and displacement is in this direction. What is the angle between them?
90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree, no? So that's why work done by bag, work done
Zero.
by bag is
Zero.
equal to zero, right? So bag is not doing any work. Coolie is doing the work. So that's why don't say like work done by coolie is zero. Don't say like that. Work done by the bag on the head of coolie is zero. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So that's why if I want to do any work means on any body, if I want to, where I want to move, there I have to apply the force. Here I want to move, here I have to apply the force. Here I want to move, here I have to apply the force. Here I want to move, I have to apply the force. Here I want to move, here I have to apply the force. Now the on body, if force is applied like this, what will happen? It will move above, no? This body will come here, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this has moved in x-axis also, and this has moved in y-axis also. Horizontally also it moved, and vertically also it moved, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So both
Yes, sir.
side in this situation, how the body has moved? It has moved in both the direction. No, x also it went, and y also it went. So this x moving and y moving together, they are moving. No, that will study in which class?
11.
11th class.
So in ninth standard, we have to move only in x-axis it is moving, or I mean only in y, or only towards left of x, only towards bottom of y. Positive x, positive y, negative y, and sorry, negative x, no, it is negative x and negative y, only in one direction. That too we take only x direction. This only maximum we take. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So only in one direction we take in ninth standard, but when you go to 11th standard, you take two direction, three directions actually. This is like one direction. This is two direction. There is one more direction called Z direction. We'll come to that in the 11th class if we are connected with each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the study material uploaded? Just check. Not yet uploaded.
Yes.
Uploaded.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting interest to study these topics?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
very phenomenal things these are. Okay, work, energy, and power. Okay, fine. So I hope. All right, dear children. Shrikant, are you there? Shrikant Immannavar? No, I guess he's not there. Okay, fine. So I have saved it. I'm going to close it off. Then now let us try to do some more problems. Shall I give a problem to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me give a problem to you. A body, let me use black color only. A body of mass 10 kg started from rest. Started from rest and gains a velocity of 10 meter per second in 2 seconds. In 2 seconds. Find work done on the body. Work done on the body in this time. In this time. Find work done on the body in this time. Is my screen visible, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Work done means what you should know. Work done means work done means what you want. You want force and displacement, no? Yes or no? What is the formula for work done? Force and displacement. Now what you should calculate? Force, right? For force, what you need? Force equal to, there is a formula, no? What is the formula for force? M into A.
Yes, sir.
So M is given. M is here, 10 kg. I am giving you hints, okay? M is given. And A also you can calculate from the given data, because initial velocity is given, final velocity is given, time is given. So force you got. And displacement you can calculate now by using some formula. Displacement. Think about it, dear children. You have to think. Okay. By writing given data, you will be able to understand this. What is the given data? A body of mass 10 kg, no? That is, M is 10 kg, right? Started from rest means initial velocity is 0. Correct? And gains a velocity of 10 meter per second. In how many seconds? In 2 seconds. Correct? Time is 2 seconds. Now they are asking work done equal to question mark. Okay? Tell me, work done equal to what is the formula? Force into displacement, no? Fs. Now instead of this force, can I write MA? Okay, 500 joule. She is saying 500 joule. Okay, MA into S, can I say? MA into S, W equal to? Yes or no? Now this A can be calculated. No, M we know already. A can be calculated. How to calculate A? Tell me. Okay, A is equal to, what is the formula, dear children? A is equal to V minus U by T, no? 10 minus 0 divided by 2, no? So that is like 10 by 2, no? 10 by 2 means what? 2 ones are 2 fives are. And that is equal to 5 meter per second square, no? Acceleration is 5 meter per second square, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
what
sir.
I want, I got M also I got, A also I got. Now I want S. What is the formula for S? Can I use the formula UT plus half AT square?
Yes, sir.
That is like U is like 0 into 2 plus half into A is like 5 and T square is like 2 square. 1, 2, 1, 2, it get cancelled. So it becomes 0 plus 10. So 0 plus 10 means 10 meter it is. S is equal to 10 meter. Okay. Work done equal to, we had that formula. What is that? MAS. MAS. M means what? 10 kg. A means what? 5. S means what? 10. So 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 5, 500 joule. Okay. Please give a big round of applause to Sahana. Give a big round of applause to Sahana. All of you. Good, Sana. Nice. Nicely you have done it. Okay, just one hint. Now, do you think this is a good problem, whatever I have given you just now? Yes? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is how you are supposed to find out the work related to all these things. So there are so many problems like this, yeah, which will be keep on giving you. Okay. Now work what we'll do, we'll solve the assignment question, complex and all. I will be keeping them in assignment so that you can try them and you get feel of it. Shall we start discussing about energy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Work you got to idea about energy. Energy means what?
It is an end.
Capacity to do work, right?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Energy means what? I mean, the person who is having energy, he has the capacity to do work. No capacity ಐತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಂಗ ಆಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What are the different forms of energy you know? Please name them. Forms of energy, different forms of energy. What you know?
Potential energy, muscular
Potential
energy, kinetic
muscular
energy,
energy,
Solar
sound
energy.
energy. Yes, I mean write them, all of them together. Solar energy. Whatever you get, just write them. Solar energy. Okay. Then there is something called wind energy. Yeah. Like that, how many you can just, I mean, wind energy. Then electrical energy. Just write them. Keep on writing.
mechanical energy,
No, comment. Don't talk. Comment now.
Light
Use a
energy.
start question. Like electrical energy. Okay, just write them. Then light energy. Okay, then light energy. All right. Then we get tidal energy. Good. Tidal energy. Okay. Tidal energy. Potential energy. Okay, good. Potential energy. Potential energy. Okay, then water energy. Good. Water energy. Water is also having some energy. Okay, water energy. What potential energy water has when it goes to height. Then heat energy. Yes, heat. Thermal energy. Heat energy means thermal energy. Thermal. Thermal energy means heat energy. Yes, thermal means heat. Okay, heat. Something related to heat. Thermal. Then we have air energy means wind energy. Wind energy it is. Yes, magnetic energy. Good. Magnetic energy. Magnetic energy. So like that, there is no end to this. No, then there is something called nuclear energy. Nuclear energy. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. Nuclear energy. Atomic energy. Atomic energy means same thing. Nuclear energy. Okay. Atomic energy, nuclear energy, same thing. Atomic energy. Then we have light energy. Light energy is over. Wind energy is over. Chemical energy. Good. Very good. Chemical energy. Yeah. Chemical energy. Then kinetic energy. Okay, good. Kinetic energy. Potential, along with potential energy only, we are supposed to write kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Then kinetic energy. Gravitational energy. Good. Gravitational energy. Gravitation chapter is also there for you. Gravitational energy. All right. Then we have that's what mechanical energy. Very, very important point she has told. Mechanical energy. Okay, mechanical energy. So we have lots and lots of kind of energy, no? So the detailing of all these energies, whatever I have discussed, that is there little bit in 10th standard also, but in 9th standard we study something called mechanical energy. Very, very important it is. Solar energy over, everything is over. Electrical energy, whatever electrical energy is there, no, solar energy, you will study about this in 10th standard little bit. Wind energy also 10th standard. Electrical energy 10th and 12th. Yeah. So all these things. Tidal energy, all these things will be studying in magnetic energy in 12th class. Okay, we'll be studying nuclear energy in 12th class. Thermal energy in 11th class. Yeah. water energy, this is in 10th. The potential energy, it will keep on coming 9, 10, 11, 12 and all. So the main thing what we are going to discuss, radiant energy. Yes, there are so many physical energy. So mechanical energy means physical energy only. Now stop commenting. Now we are going to study about something called mechanical energy in our ninth standard. Yes, dear children, what we are going to study? We are going to study about mechanical energy. Yes, all right. So everybody is going to put a heading, mechanical energy. Yes, mechanical energy. Let us try to understand it. What do you mean by mechanical energy? Mechanical means what? Something related to movement, no? Yes or no? Mechanical means what, dear children? Something related to motion. Something related to motion or something related to physical. Something physical is called mechanical. Yes. Physical energy. I mean, mechanical energy is also known as physical energy. Yes. I mean, software engineer, they say, no, software engineer. Can you touch the software? You cannot touch the software, but you can touch the hardware. You can touch this notebook, you can touch the pad, you can touch the mobile, but can you touch the Android system inside the mobile? Can you touch it? No, right?
No, sir.
Can you touch Windows inside your, not in your home, Windows inside that computer? Windows 10, Windows 9, Windows 8 and all they are there, no? Can you touch it? You cannot touch it, no? So that's why physical energy means something related to touch. Mechanical energy means something related to motion, touch, something related to motion, touching, motion, and all that kind of energy is called mechanical energy. Okay, I'll come to that. What do you mean by mechanical energy? Energy that can be used to do work is called mechanical energy. Okay, awesome. Moksha, awesome. That is really good definition. So mechanical energy means what? The energy which can be used to do work. Now, when you go to higher classes, this definition becomes wrong, moksha. Yes, because work can be done without mechanical energy also. Without mechanical energy also, we can do the work. Yes, without this mechanical energy, we can do work. That's why I did not tell you this definition, but you are in 9th standard now, this definition holds good. The energy which can be used to do work is called mechanical energy. Clear? Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, because without mechanical energy also we can do lots and lots of work. Yeah, okay. Now, in this mechanical energy, no, there are two types. In this mechanical energy, there are two types. What are they? In mechanical energy, there are two types, dear children. What are they? Any idea? Please comment. Yes. One is a potential energy and another is kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
Potential energy and kinetic energy. The meaning of these things is very, very important. Okay. Potential, kinetic and potential. Okay. All right. Now, what do you mean by potential energies? I mean, it's a great thing. Potential energy means the energy of a body. Potential energy means what? Simple definition it is. Otherwise, we can put a separate heading and we can discuss about potential energy and then we can come back to kinetic energy. Okay. So potential energy first we will discuss. Then after that we'll come to kinetic energy. Everybody put the heading potential energy. Potential energy. Okay. Now look at this potential energy. Let me give you some examples. Now here there is water. In your tank or in the river, there is some water here. Okay. Now this water has some energy or not? It is having some energy, some level of maybe less energy it is having. Now in your home, there is a syntax here. Okay, here is the syntax. You have got the syntax here. Now if you take this water to this syntax, how do you take this water to the syntax? By using a motor, no? By using the motor, you are taking the water to this syntax. Now from this syntax, again you have to provide energy for this water to come down or what? Moksha, just hold on, Moksha, because I'm going to give so many definitions, okay? Its position and shape is also fine. Configuration also one thing comes. Shape is also okay. So now to bring this water down, should I again have to provide energy for that by using motor? No, right? Are you getting my point?
No,
What I'm
sir.
trying to say. So this water, no, already. So this water has been raised to this what do you call to this syntax by using this motor. By using the motor, what I did, I mean, I connected this motor pipe to this water. Then I have raised it here. Okay. So now, due to its position, now it has got some position or some height from this bottom earth surface to some height. It has come, no. So due to this height, it gets some energy. That is only known as potential energy. Clear, dear children? The energy obtained by a body due to its position. Have you seen the dams and all? Have you seen dams?
sir.
Anyone? Almaty Dam and all? So in Almaty Dam, what happens? Yes, for example, this is one line, this is another line, this is another line. In Almaty Dam, what is happening? You tell me. Yes, I mean, the dam is having gates, no, like this. It has gates, right? Yes or no? Dam, is it like on
Yes,
the
sir.
ground or it is at high place? It is at high altitude, no?
It
If
is
this
on the
is the
ground, sir.
ground, no, it is at the height place, no dam. There will be at height place, no dams. Yes or no? It is called reservoir. What is this? This is called as what? Reservoir. Reservoir means it stores water. Reservoir. From this water, the water is coming out, and here we have something called turbine. What do you mean by turbine? Which rotates, no, just like fan. Have you seen this turbine and all? Yes. There is something rotating
sir.
part, no, like this. There is a rotating part, it rotates. When water comes and falls on it, it rotates and it produces electricity and all. Everybody knows this, no? Yes or no?
Yes,
You
sir.
must have seen these things in your 8th standard and all, or maybe in 7th standard. I mean, from using this dam, reservoir means this is a dam here. So by using this dam and all, electricity is produced. No, now this water is coming and it is falling on this turbine. This is called turbine. Okay, what is this? This is called turbine. All right, dear children. Now this water, no, I mean, actually, it is how it is supposed to drawn. It is supposed to be drawn like this. I mean, it is at a very high place like this. Okay, it is at very height place, and in this water is there. Okay, now here on the ground turbine is there. Yes, on Shumoga Falls also you must have seen, no, I mean, water comes and falls on this, correct, no, and it rotates, right, this turbine, dear children.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me, this rotates and what is produced? Electricity is produced or not?
Yes, sir.
So now this water must be having some energy, no? So this energy has come. If this water was on the ground and flowing onto the turbine, will the turbine rotate at a higher speed or lower speed? From here to here?
Lower speed.
Lower speed, no? From here to here, if the water is falling, it is rotating at high speed, no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, this water at place A is having more energy and water at place B is having more energy.
Water at place B.
Water at place B is having energy at water at B is greater than energy at water at A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Same water. This is also same water, same H2O, thousands and thousands of liters. Here also thousands and thousands of liters, but it rotates fast. Rotates fast. It rotates the turbine at a faster pace. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here it is rotating at slower pace means it must be having more energy, no? More energy it must be having. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one is like energy due to its position. Look at this position. It is at a higher position, no? That's why it is having more energy. So energy due to position, whatever it acquires, it is called as a potential energy. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us have a look at this. Now this spring is there. For example, I have one spring here. Okay. This is spring I have. Okay. Now what I do, I just push it. I push this spring by applying some force. So after pushing, how it becomes? It becomes like this, no? Smaller, no? Yes?
Yes.
Now it has got energy or not? Now you must be thinking what the spring will have energy. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅದಿರಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಜೀಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾವಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಾರ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ.
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾ ಆ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರಿಂದ ಬಾಳ ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರ ನಾಲ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಜೀಪ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಛತ್ರಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಹೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ
Yes, sir.
ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತದ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಯಾಕ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಜೀಪ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತ ಹಿಂಗ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಛತ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಹಿಂಗ ಛತ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು exactly. I'm not able to do that. Okay, no sir, she is saying no sir. Okay, I mean she know about this. Okay, Daneshwari, good. And have you seen this monkey? I mean monkey holding this some challang in the hand. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾವಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಳ್ಳಂಗ್ ಬಾರಸಕ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಇದನ್ನ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ಇದು ನೋಡಿರ್ಲೆ ಮತ್ ನೀವು ಚಾವಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಸಕೈತೆ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ಸಕ್ತ ಅದ್ರದಿಲ್ಲ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬಾರ್ಸೋದ್ರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ಈ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗಾಗ ಇದರಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬಂದದ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹಸ್ ಕಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವಾಟ್ configuration. Moksha said shape, that is also correct. Due to configuration means how it is. I mean now it has been pushed, no? Now if you release this, ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫುಲ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ okay so rather than shape you use the word configuration ಅಂತ word use ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು did you understand this what I'm saying yes so what I'm going to say now I'm going to say energy of a body due to its position or due to its configuration is called potential energy clear. So what is the definition of potential energy? The potential energy is energy of a body due to its I'm going to write here position due to its position or configuration clear. Yes, dear children,
Yes,
tell me clear or not? Yes. So energy of a body due to its position or configuration is called potential energy. All right. Did you enjoy the class, dear?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling like you learned something new or everything was old?
New things, sir.
Many new things will come. Many new things will come. Okay. So shall I close this? Because 12 pages are over. That's why. Shall I close this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This class
Yes,
was
sir.
very interesting. Okay. Thank you, Neela. Okay, fine, dear children. That's like the class what I conduct. Usually these things are very interesting. Learn them with full attention because when you go to 11th standard, these things are like fundamental. If you have learned these things very perfectly, then 11th standard will become halwa for you. It becomes very easy for you. If you don't learn, it becomes very difficult for you. Clear? Okay, so we are doing all this work for you guys. Sir, what is CGI unit? Vaishali, CGI means centimeter gram. Okay, CG, yes, it is not CGI, CGS, centimeter gram and second. So what we are studying is SI system, SI units we are studying. CGS it is, not CGI. CGS means centimeter, gram and second. And there is called MKS also. MKS means meter, kilometer, meter, Kelvin, second, MKS. And there is something called FES also. FES means feet, pound. I mean, weight is like a kg, gram, quintal, pound also we can measure now.
Yes, sir.
FPS.
Yes, sir.
FPS means feet. Feet is like length and P is like pound. S is like second. That is 11th class topic again. Okay. So let's not, concentrate on that now. I can teach that also. But other students, all kinds of students will be there. No, we have to be handling everyone. Okay. So that's why Don't bother about that. You will be connected with us even after your 10th standard. Once the 10th standard is over, just within 4 or 5 days, you will connect with us for 11th standard syllabus. Immediately, we will start your fundamental. Till the time everybody enters your 11th standard class, all fundamentals and 30 to 40% of the syllabus will be over from Kalpataru classes. That is my commitment. All right. Okay, fine. So I keep on motivating people for that. Okay, fine. Thank you very much for joining the class. And one more thing I want to request in everyone that, I mean, fees has to be paid, dear children. Many have paid and some of you haven't paid. So those who haven't paid, I sincerely request them because the fees has to be paid. Otherwise, I mean, it's not like we are going to stop the class or something like that. If fees is paid means we feel happy about that and we feel boosted up because this is our bread and butter now. So this is where we are trying to do that. So please request your parents to pay the fees. Those who haven't paid, those who have paid, we are really happy for them. And those who haven't paid, please, I sincerely request once again, whenever we call you, and some of the students, I mean, some of the parents, they don't pick the call also, even after providing this kind of premium service, that hurts us. So that's why I sincerely request you to request your parents to pay the fees. Okay. All right, dear children. Thank you very much for joining this class. And I will be, what I made one class like this. One is like 8 to 9. Is it fixed 8 to 9? I am not going to change this class. This is for sure. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
second class, what I am doing 8 to 9 after that. Shall I keep it from 2 to 3 in the afternoon?
Yes, sir.
No, 2 to, because in school side also some of the classes may be there and all, that problem may happen. So that's why from today onwards, that is like at least from today onwards, I'll be having the class of 9th standard from 2 to 3 up to July 1st. And after that, we may change that also. We'll make it so that one class is in the morning, 8 to 9 is fixed, no changes at all. 8 to 9 fixed, and afternoon for a few days it may change, and after that we're going to fix that also. We'll conduct it from 6 to 7 or 2 to 3, like that. We'll fix one time. Right now, today's class will be at 2 to 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
All right. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.